taking a look at a real balance sheet, we have here Eli Lilly referred to in our text, and I've focused in on the asset section of the balance sheet, and we are particularly looking at this asset, accounts receivable, net of allowances, it says, or just net, and that's the amount that is stated on this balance sheet for December 31st, 2019. That is the amount that they plan to receive, $4,547.3 million. This, in this little description, is the allowance, the estimate of how much is expected not to be received as of December 31st, 2019. So at the end of December 2019, of all the people that owe them money, they expect there to be $22.4 million not received. That amount was a little higher last year, but we're focused on the 2019. So what that means is that the total amount that customers owe, to make it line up with our accounting equation worksheet, the total amount that is actually owed in accounts receivable is these two numbers put together. So 4.5 billion plus the 22.4, so that would be 4,569.7 million. Then they took out the 22.4 to get the amount that they actually have listed here. So it's slightly different than how it looks on our, but they're measuring the same exact thing. So this is the amount they expect to receive. This is the amount they expect not to receive. And then together, two of those added together is the total amount that customers owe Eli Lilly on December 31st, 2019. Now, if you were asked, well, what does that look like? How much is that? You could take the 22.4 million and divide it by the total between the two, add them together, and then take 22.4 and divide it by that total. You would get the percentage that they expect not to collect. Sometimes that's a better indication of what the situation is as a percentage.